I am proud to be a Muslim and follow the teachings of Islam. I am grateful for the guidance of the Quran in my life. I am committed to living according to the principles of Islam. I am blessed to have Allah as my Lord and Protector. I am confident in my faith and trust in Allah's plan for me. I am at peace knowing that Allah is always with me. I am thankful for the guidance of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. I am grateful for the blessings of being a Muslim. I am strong in my belief and devotion to Allah. I am committed to following the 5 pillars of Islam. I am grateful for the community and support of fellow Muslims. I am proud of my heritage and the rich history of Islam. I am confident in my ability to grow in my faith and knowledge of Islam. I am grateful for the peace and comfort that comes from submitting to Allah's will. I am at peace knowing that Allah is the source of all strength and guidance. I am thankful for the opportunities for growth and learning in Islam. I am committed to spreading the message of Islam and helping others understand its teachings through my actions and conversations. I am grateful for the compassion and kindness that Islam encourages. I am proud to be a part of the global Muslim community. I am at peace with the challenges and hardships in life, knowing that Allah tests those He loves. I am confident in my ability to face challenges with faith and courage. I am grateful for the wisdom and guidance of religious scholars and teachers. I am proud of the progress I have made in my spiritual journey as a Muslim. I am committed to increasing my knowledge and understanding of Islam. I am grateful for the peace and contentment that comes from following the teachings of Islam. I am at peace knowing that Allah is in control and that everything happens for a reason. I am thankful for the love and support of friends and families who also follow Islam. I am proud of my ability to maintain my faith and live according to the principles of Islam in a challenging world. I am a Muslim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.